Today we are in Georgia, particularly Batumi, but the airplane will be flying out of Tbilisi. Me and my nice co-pilot Yulia. "7:30 in the morning. I'm heading towards railway station and then Tbilisi airport for departure. Small shopping. And my driver today is Akakik Maladze, very professional drifter. And this is my co-pilot Yulia. She likes to travel light. V1. V1.
V1.
Rotate. That's what happens, guys. GPS is coming out. Hi everyone, my name is Konstantin Fedchenko, KFEAvia, aviation sales, passenger and cargo charters. Today we are in Georgia, particularly Batumi, but the airplane will be flying out of Tbilisi. Me and my nice co-pilot Yulia will join me in Tbilisi. And yeah, see where we fly. It's busy in Batumi. I'm gonna visit a couple of places and we're gonna head up to Tbilisi on the train. The train takes 5 hours and 10 minutes. It's not a fast one, but at least you can do something meanwhile looking for a cab. "7:30 in the morning. I'm heading towards railway station and then Tbilisi airport for departure. Small shopping near the train station. Railway station 15 minutes before departure, but quick glance to the sea. And my driver today is Akaki Khmaladze, very professional drifter in the past, and now he chose the safe way to go with an airplanes. But
that's why I'm taxi driving now.
Yes, without drift, please. I need to depart on this flight safe and
No
in
problem.
one piece.
No problem.
Let's go.
Let's go. True Sapiravi from family seller.
Thank you very much.
So I hope you like it.
It will be a very good evening today.
But after flight.
After flight.
before flight.
After flight. Sapiravi is a dry red wine, dry red Georgian wine.
Yeah, unique one. This is the first try. Then if you like Georgian wines, you can have some more different sorts.
Can we drift with this one?
On the backwards.
And this is my co-pilot Yulia. She likes to travel light.
Nahon this.
До побачення. До побачення. Goodbye. Улыбаться? Здрасте, Гамарджоба. What we look out here is some gauges, general condition of the lines. The first time we are doing briefing in the briefing room just because we have some spare time, and the coffee. Georgi. And no, flight level 430, winds, significant weather chart, no significant weather, should be good weather, that's good. Departure weather, arrival, our alternate Istanbul, main Istanbul, and the weather looks okay as well. Air mids and NOTAMs, at least we need to check if runway is not closed in Ataturk. So yeah, nothing significant. I'll go to an airplane and Yulia will meet our passengers to make them happy from the first step into the airport. Here we are. And I think what I will do is to check everything. Switching on battery master. It is here. Voltage checked. Fuel quantity. Two things we need to check. Also the lights, like the cargo doors. Very important. If it's opened, makes sense to close them now. Huh? For example, baggage door, left and right. This is the lamp test. We are testing all lamps. Switching on avionics with avionics switch.
Legend 880 Sierra. Information Yankee requesting departure clearance.
With avionics switch on, many more warnings are working. For example, anti-skidding up, overspeed, thrust reversal lights, stick shaker. This is the system which warns you when you are approaching the stall condition. Landing gear warning and fire warning, showing left and right bottle, left and right engine fire lights. Gear down 3 greens. Tbilisi Tower, Job Zulu 1023, ready copy ATC clearance.
Tbilisi Tower, copy clearance, you are clear destination, Lima Tango Bravo Alpha, flight Delta Foxtrot 1 Echo departure, initially climb flight level 130, squawk 6762, when you're going to approach 134.6.
The departure chart looks like this. And we set it up right here. Departure Delta Foxtrot 1 Echo, runway 13, which looks like this. 4,000 feet right turn. Also, while waiting for the passengers, pre-flight check, nose gear. Left is clear, parking brake off, taxi right on. Fully ready.
Cleared for takeoff, range 120. Have a nice flight. Bye-bye.
Cleared for takeoff 13 right now. Okay, ignition on, pitot strategy set. All good. Thank you.
Climb 360.
We'll climb 360.
Thank you.
That's what happens, guys. GPS is coming out. It's because of the war. Either Russians or Ukrainians or Americans are working on jamming the GPS. The bottom one doesn't have the signal. The upper one does have, so we transfer autopilot to my side and select nav mode and proceed in direct rolling. I think the difference between the signals is because the bottom GPS has antenna pointing to the top or to the bottom, either or.
Anyway, we are losing the second one. You see? One to go. Wow, just disappeared. No GPS. Tbilisi, just informing we don't have GPS signal right now. And is it okay if we proceed Sierra India November VR?
You are broken. Confirm you don't have GPS.
Affirm we lost GPS integrity and requesting Sierra India November VR direct.
Stand by to coordinate.
Old style flying. But surprisingly iPad works. GPS signal is being received. However, officially we cannot fly on the iPad.
What's direct to Sierra India November?
Sierra India November direct.
Level 135, Cabo K, temperature 272.19er, QNH 1010, ATC, clearance, via DCL, available, for ground and clearance, delivery, contact, tower on 118.100, bird hazard, over, aerodrome. After departure, contact 132.475. End of Athos, Juliet. This is Athos. Arrival and departure Athos information. Juliet 1420.
Check. Descending to 0. Descending 9010 Okay, approaching range. Seatbelt shoulder harnesses, cabin emergency lights not required, avionics instruments ready, fuel crossfeed off, passenger devices not required, anti-skid on, ground idle switch norm. Okay, glide slope alive, видим уже его, видишь? Altimeters 1011, landing data box completed, 094-104. This airport has only one taxiway, which is very long, and it's leading all the way up to the general aviation apron. So basically we are here and we're holding until the other traffic takes all its way and passes.
Hi. Inshallah.